How to make pictures move in CapCut. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can make your picture move in your CapCut app. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your CapCut and tap on New Project to add a project, or you can also use your existing projects. First of all, add your video file. Once you do so, tap on Overlay on your bottom. Then tap an image, then select the image that you would like to move onto your screen. Once you do so, this is what it will look like. Now make sure that your video file and your image file are the same length. As you do so, you will see a diamond icon. Tap onto it. Place the image where you would like and tap the diamond icon. Move into your left and again place the image, then tap on the diamond screen. As you can see that these 5 diamonds are the transition that you made. Let's go ahead and play the video. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.